ABSI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Absci Corporation stock, although I see a proper shift here, it started kind of coming down, which is totally fine and normal. Having done 36,000 videos and having spent 5 figures on courses, mentors mentoring me, I've seen what's making me money and what's not, like with literal proof on this YouTube channel. But with ABSI, you can see like last time I made a video, I was long here and that delivered. That delivering was awesome. I mean, I don't know why it's private, but it did manage to, I mean, I called it out here.
What does it look like? Oh, my bad.
And after that, the price just, you know, did its thing, and then it's still pulling back down inside some demand zones. So what I'm going to do is I'm very open-minded for more longs. And I'm actually like in these situations, I'm starting to get excited because the moment I see my rules met is the moment where I pull the trigger. You know, I'm just saying because it's, you know, sounded cool, but really I'm not that excited. I know that if I stick to my edge, I'll be okay. And if you want to make money trading in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. It's a blueprint.